بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
I seek refuge in Allah from Shaitan in the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful.
ثم أنتم هؤلاء تقتلون أنفسكم وتخرجون فريقا منكم من ديارهم تظاهرون عليهم بالإثم والعدوان وإن يأتوكم أسارى تفادوهم وهو محرم عليكم إخراجهم أفتؤمنون ببعض الكتاب وتكفرون ببعض فما جزاء من يفعل ذلك منكم إلا خزي في الحياة الدنيا ويوم القيامة يردون إلى أشد العذاب وما الله بغافل عما تعملون.
Then you are those same ones who are killing one another and evicting a party of fewer people from their homes, cooperating against them in sin and aggression. And if they come to you as captives, you raise them, although their eviction was forbidden to you. So do you believe in part of the sacrificial of and disbelieve in part? Then what is recompense for those who do that among you accept disgrace in worldly life, and one of the day of last they will be sent back to the severest of punishment, and Allah is not unaware of what you do.
أولئك الذين اشتروا الحياة الدنيا بالآخرة فلا يخفف عنهم العذاب ولا هم ينصرون.
Those are the ones who have bought the life of this world in exchange for the hereafter, so the punishment will not be lightened for them, nor will they be abated.
ولقد آتينا موسى الكتاب وقفينا من بعده بالرسل وآتينا عيسى ابن مريم البينات وأيدناه بروح القدس أفكلما جاءكم رسول بما لا تهوى أنفسكم استكبرتم ففريقا كذبتم وفريقا تقتلون.
And we did certainly give Moses the Torah and followed up after him with messenger, and we gave Jesus, the son of Mary, clear proofs and supported him with the pure spirit. But is it not that every time a messenger came to you, O children of Israel, with what you are sold, did not desire, you were arrogant, and a party of messengers you denied, and another party you killed.
وقالوا قلوبنا غلف بل لعنهم الله بكفرهم فقليلا ما يؤمنون.
And they said, our hearts are warped, but in fact Allah has crushed them for their disbelief. So little is that it that they believe.
ولما جاءهم كتاب من عند الله مصدق لما معهم وكانوا من قبل يستفتحون على الذين كفروا فلما جاءهم ما عرفوا كفروا به فلعنة الله على الكافرين.
And when there came to them a book from Allah confirming that which was with them, although before they used to pray for victory against those who disbelieved, but then when there came to them that which they reconciled that disbelieved in it, so the curse of Allah will be upon the disbelievers.
بئس ما اشتروا به أنفسهم أن يكفروا بما أنزل الله بغيا أن ينزل الله من فضله على من يشاء من عباده فباءوا بغضب على غضب وللكافرين عذاب مهين.
How worst is that for which they sold themselves, that they would disbelieve in what Allah has revealed through their outrage, that Allah would send down His favor upon whom He will from among His servants. So they returned having earned worth upon worth. And for the disbelievers is a humiliating punishment.
وَإِذَا قِيلَ لَهُمْ آمِنُوا بِمَا أَنزَلَ اللَّهُ قَالُوا نُؤْمِنُ بِمَا أُنزِلَ عَلَيْنَا وَيَكْفُرُونَ بِمَا وَرَاءَهُ وَهُوَ الْحَقُّ مُصَدِّقًا لِمَا مَعَهُمْ قُلْ فَلِمَ تَقْتُلُونَ أَنبِيَاءَ اللَّهِ مِن قَبْلُ إِن كُنتُم مُّؤْمِنِينَ.
And when it is said to them, believe in what Allah was revealed, they say, we believe only in what was revealed to us, and they disbelieved in what came after. When it is the truth confirming that which is with them, say then, why do you kill the prophets of Allah before if you are indeed believers?
صدق الله العظيم.